So what exactly is an interval? An interval is the distance between two notes. Here we have two notes on a staff. The distance between them is an interval. Grade 1 intervals are the smallest distances between notes, and they are easy to recognise and identify. Melodic intervals and harmonic intervals are two different types of musical intervals. The most common interval most people will learn is an octave, which is 8 notes apart. A melodic interval is the distance between two notes played one after the other. A harmonic interval is the distance between two notes played together. Harmonic intervals are heard as two or more notes are played at the same time. Now let's look at the staff with several notes on it. We can identify both the harmonic and melodic intervals by counting the number of notes between them. The notes on the staff are identified using their interval numbers: a second, a third, fourth, a fifth, a sixth, a seventh, and finally an octave or eighth. A unison is an interval between two notes of the same pitch or frequency played together. Now this can be quite tricky to write directly above, so instead you will write this one to the side. When counting, remember to label the lowest note on the staff as number 1, which is also known as the tonic or first note. Now for grade 1 music, you will need to know the intervals of C major, G major, D major, and F major. Remember, G major will feature an F sharp, D major contains F sharp and C sharp, and in F major, you will need to include a B flat. In G major, a harmonic interval of a seventh will be like this, featuring the F sharp. In D major, a harmonic interval of a third will be like this, featuring the F sharp also. In F major, an interval of a fourth takes you to the B flat. Now, are you ready to take your musical skills to the next level? The circle of fifths is a must-know for any beginner. Let's explore it together, shall we?